Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Easy Nova Zolai Le Manglai. So in this video, you will learn how to introduce yourself in Zokam. First of all, we will learn how to say your name. All right, saying your name in different ways. So if you are ready, let's get started.
So firstly, let's start with min. Min is name. So it is important to inform your full name to the other person. So we can say Kei Gamin and your full name. Kei Gamin. For example, if let's say your name is Bao Lian Kai, you can say Kei Gamin Bao Lian Kai. Or if you want to add full name, you can say Min Pi. Min Pi is for full name, and you can say Kei Ka Min Pi Bao Lian Kai. So let's say your full name is Jonathan Gilbert. You can say Kei Ka Min Jonathan Gilbert or Kei Ka Min Pi Jonathan Gilbert. The next pattern is for formal writing. Kei Ka Min He. Kei Ka Min Joseph He. Kei Ka Min Joseph He. In that blank, you can add your name. If your full name is, let's say, Jonathan Gilbert, you can say Kei Ka Min Jonathan Gilbert He. Kei Ka Min Jonathan Gilbert He. Okay. And the next sentence is Kei Ka Min blank Hieng A. Kei Ka Min Joseph Hieng A. Kei Ka Min Thang Ao Hieng A. Like that, you can say your name. So let's see the next slide. So the first sentence for this slide is Kamineo Kai Kai. Okay. So Mineo is for nickname. I mean Mineo means nickname. So these are ways to say your nickname. So the first sentence is Kamineo Kai Kai, and the second is Kamineo Kai Kai Jia Hong Kisam, which means people call me Kai Kai, which is my nickname. Okay. The next sentence is Kei Kamineo Kai Kai. Kei Kamineo Kai Kai. This kind of sound like you're angry. You don't want to introduce to the other. So I might consider this is a bit rude, but you can use it. And the next sentence is Kamineo Ahile Kai Kai Jia Hong Kisam. This is a bit longer, but this is good. This is a good response. So which means my nickname is Kai Kai. People call me Kai Kai. So this is polite and good. The last sentence is Kai Pi Jia Zong Nong Sam Dop Lai Tinga. So this has the meaning of like you have the other nickname. Let's say your nickname is Jonathan, but some people call you John. So you can say John Jia Zong Nong Sam Dop Lai Tinga. You can call me John. If you don't want to call me Jonathan, you can call me John. I hope you got it. So let's practice speaking. We will use the example for the names Bao Lian Kai and Joseph and Kai Kai. Okay, so let's start. Kei Ka Min Bao Lian Kai. Kei Ka Min Bao Lian Kai. Kei Ka Min Pi Bao Lian Kai. Kei Ka Min Pi Bao Lian Kai. Kei Ka Min Joseph He. Kei Ka Min Joseph He. Kei Ka Min Joseph Hieng A. Kei Ka Min Joseph Hieng A. Kei Ka Min Joseph He. Kei Ka Min Joseph He. Okay, the next. Now pause the video and practice. Now let's practice again for nickname. Kamineo Kai Kai. Kamineo Kai Kai. Kamineo Kai Kai Jia Hong Kisam. Kaminel khai khai chia hong kisam. If you wanna add gay before kaminel is okay. Gay kaminel khai khai chia hong kisam. Gay kaminel khai khai chia hong kisam. The next gay kaminel khai khai. Gay kaminel khai khai. Kaminel hi le khai khai chia hong kisam. Kaminel hi le khai khai chia hong kisam. Khai pi chia zong nong sam dap lakinga. Khai pi chia zong nong sam dap lakinga.
I hope you understand the lesson. I hope you can say your name in Zokam, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.